This presentation will conduct a rapid analysis for a satisfaction survey project. Purpose. The main purpose of this presentation is to determine the rate of performance, the planned duration, the estimated project end, the anticipated delay at the end of the project, and the budget overrun. Source of information. The information used throughout the presentation has been derived from the table shown. We see the project's 8 activities, a description of them, their planned duration, their actual or completed duration, and their cost. Note that only the first 3 activities have been completed thus far, activities A, B, and C. Of these 3 activities, A and B lay within the critical path and will therefore be focused on more so. Gantt chart. Here we see the information from the previous slide inserted into Microsoft Project Manager. The Gantt chart is displayed as the bigger table, where we see the first 3 activities that have been completed in blue. The blue shows the actual duration, whereas the gray indicates the expected duration. Rate of performance. The rate of performance is derived by taking the actual work and dividing it by the planned work. Again, we are ignoring activity C because it was not critical. The numbers end up being 6 divided by 3, which gives us a performance rate of 2, or 200%. Planned duration. The planned duration takes the total number of weeks, which is 17, and subtracts the total number of weeks not on the critical path, which is 5. Activities C and G were not on the critical path, and their duration total was 5. Therefore, the planned duration, 17 minus 5, equals 12 weeks. Estimated project end. This brings us to the estimated project end. Here we multiply the planned duration of 12 by the performance rate of 2, which gives us the estimated project end of 24 weeks. Anticipated delay. Using the estimated project end of 24 weeks in the previous slide, we can now find the anticipated delay by subtracting the planned duration, which was 12. We therefore see that the anticipated delay at the end of the project will be 12 weeks. Budget overrun. The actual cost for all the activities are needed in order to derive the budget overrun. But since only 3 activities have been completed, we are unable to know for certain what the budget overrun is. We can predict, however, what we think it will be based on the total of our estimated expenditures, which is shown in the bottom right-hand corner. That total is $31,500. Because our estimated project end was doubled at 24 weeks, we can therefore infer that our budget will also be doubled as well. Introspection. With the process used in this presentation, we can realistically predict the duration of a project and plan accordingly. This helps us manage our capacity, resources, and time. We can therefore make effective and efficient alterations conducive to our organization's goals.